Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss about SSC Summative Assessment 1 October 2023 question paper. 10th class Summative Assessment 1 question paper. Part A and Part B, there are the maximum marks 80. Now we discuss the Part A, 2.5 hours question papers discussed now. There are the first one is the section A, 6 into 12 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. Use first question. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 900 and 3375. Use Euclid's algorithm. Highest common factor. First we have to find the HCF of 900 and 3375. In these two, which one is the greatest number? That is the dividend. Which one is the smallest number? That is the divisor. In small classes, we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Na? At the same time, given two numbers, first which is the greatest number, that is the treat as dividend. This is the 900. So 900 into multiply some nearest or equal to 3375. Go like that process. When the remainder is 0, the last divisor is there, that is the HCF of these two numbers. Next, second question is the write all the subset of set A is equal to 2, 3, 5. Now one formula is there. In the sets, number of elements are there, n elements are there. The subset of the n elements of the set is 2 power n formula is there. So here the set A contains how many elements? 3. So n is equal to 3. So 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times multiply equal to 8. So there are the subset of set A is 8 elements are there. Check whether 3 by 2 and minus 2 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 6x square minus 5x minus 6. So here the check means 50% is 50% no. So x replace first 3 by 2, P of 3 by 2, substitute here. When the P of x is equal to 0 is there, 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next to minus 2 by 3, x replace. When the remainder is 0, here also P of x is equal to 0, this is also 0. Suppose zeros are not come, suppose it is the 0, 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Minus 2 by 3 is not 0, minus 2 by 3 is not 0 of the polynomial. P of x is equal to this. Next one is the if sec of a minus 12 degrees is equal to cosec 42 degrees, where a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Given sec a of minus 12 degrees is equal to cosec 42 degrees. Na? Yes, sec is a. Sec means the difference between the two angles. At the same time, here also cosec we can write in the secs. Sec of 90 minus 42. Sec of 42, the difference between the two angles. Sec of 90 minus difference between the two angles. So sec cancel. So here minus 12 degrees is equal to here constant value come. Next a value come. A is an acute angle. Next question is the fifth question. A 5 meters long plug is fixed on the top of the building on the horizontal plane. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the flag straps are 60 degrees and 45 degrees. Draw the suitable diagram for the given situation. Observe the here horizontal line in the two angles are there. Those angles are angle of elevation. Next, draw the suitable diagrams. Angle of elevation means the person is seeing from horizontal line to height of the peak. Suitable diagram draw. Next, sixth question. The large of two complementary angles exceed the smaller by 16 degrees. Find the angles. So observe the here two complementary angles. The complementary angles means the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Here exceed. The larger two complementary angles exceeds means increase the smaller angle by 16. Exceed the smaller angle. Smaller angle is increased by 16. The two complementary angle choose like that. Next, section 2 is there. Section 2, 7th question is there. Write the formula. Find the median of group data and explain the term in it. So median related two formulas are there, group data or ungrouped data. So here the group data is there. Group data means like a class interval and frequency is there. Those related median formula choose. Median formula is equal to lower boundary plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f into h. Each one is explained. L means lower boundary of the median class. N means total number of observation. Cf means cumulative frequency of the class. Next, F means highest frequency of the median class. H means size of the median class. Eighth question is there. Prove that 2 root 3 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Observe that these two irrational numbers are the 2 root 3 irrational number, root 5 is irrational number. So first start from the statement. Let us assume that the rational number. Next, when the rational number is there, p by q form is there. Now after this one, this is equal to p by q, squaring on both sides there. So bring down the all rational numbers one side, all irrational numbers are one side. Go with the statement. Find the value of 2 tan 45 degrees minus 4 sin 30 degrees plus root 3 cos 30 degrees by cos 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Observe that this here all are the specific angles. Specific angle means from 0 to 90 degrees are there. Each ratios 0 to 90 degrees are there. Specific values are there. Substitute the values. Next, simplify the problem. Suppose tan 45 1, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, cot 45 degrees 1. Then substitute the all values and simplify. Next, 10th question is the XYZ is a right angle triangle. Right angle at Y. If YN is a perpendicular to XY, then prove that 1 by YN square is equal to 1 by XY square plus 1 by YZ square. Here the diagram is there. This diagram related to the choose the right angle triangle. Next, prove that this problem. Next to 11th question. Application of trigonometry question. This is the from the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If height of the building is 6 meters, then find the height of the tower. Here observe the angle of elevation is there, angle of depression is there, and one person is seeing from top to bottom another person is seeing from bottom to top. So angle of elevation is 30, angle of depression is 45. Choose the diagram. So height of the building is there 6 meters. Then find the height of the tower. Height of the tower means whole. So height of the building is part of the given diagram. Next, divide 6x cube minus 7x square minus 16x plus 12 by 2x plus 3 and find the quotient and remainder. So here observe. So this is the dividend. So this is the divisor. Divide this dividend, this is the divisor. Divide these two, getting the quotient and remainder. This is the section 2 problems. So how many marks? 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So each question carries 4 marks. Section A, section 2, there are no choices are there. So attempt the all questions. Next, section 3 is there. Here 4 into 6, 24 marks. Okay. Answer any 4 of the following question. There are the 6 questions are there. Write any 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Here choice is there. The power consumption in units of 200 families in a locality is given below. Find the mean power consumption. Find the mean power. Mean is equal to formula is there. So mean, in the mean there are the 3 methods are there. Assume mean, step deviation method is there, direct method is there. Very small values are there. Choose the direct mean, assume mean. Next, little big values are there. Choose the assume mean. Next, little very big values are there. Choose the step deviation method. Here didn't mention. Here number of families are there. Little big values are there. Choose the assume mean. So assume mean formula is there. So you know, first one is the class interval. Second one is the frequency. Next we can find the class mark. Next, deviation is assumed deviation is there. Next formula fi into di is there. Di where di is equal to xi minus a. A is means here assume. So total formula is the assumed mean formula is the a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. This is the assumed mean formula. Next 14th one is the here. If set A is equal to x such that x is a factor of 36 and b is equal to x such that x belongs whole number, x less than 6, x less than or equal 6, less than or equal 6 means 6 is included. So whole number start from 0 to infinity. So here the condition x less than or equal 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is equal to 6 elements, 0 to 6 are there. Set A is equal to x is a factor of 36. Factor of 36. 36 by 1 is the factor of every number, 2 is the factor of 36, 3 is the factor of 36. So like that the last one factor 36 1 is 36. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma next 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18 comma 36. Next find A union B. A union means in the both sets repeated element write one time and together elements write. So if the repeated is there, write the one time. Intersection means which are the repeated, write those elements. Intersection common elements. A minus B means in these two sets, A set and B set, which are the common elements, cancel. Set A minus B, set A, what are the set A elements? Write the set A. So that is the answer, A minus B. B minus A means in these two sets, cancel. What are the remaining elements in set B? So that is the answer, B minus A. by using the Venn diagram. These elements write in the Venn diagrams. Next question is the draw the graph of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3 and find the zeros from the graph. This is the graph problem. Observe the here x square is positive. Positive means upward parabola come. When the here negative number is there, downward parabola. So here the question is upward parabola because a greater than 0 is there. So that's why choose the values, appropriate values, and draw the on the graph paper, draw the graph U shape. Next, construct the triangle ABC. In triangle AB is equal to 6 cm, angle A is equal to 60, and angle B is equal to 5 cm. Sorry, BC is equal to 5 cm. Then construct a similar triangle to it whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle. So the given measurements, draw the first triangle. Next 3, 4. So choose the acute angle 4 parts. 4 are equal parts. Next join the triangle, draw the similar to triangle of ABC. In a class, next question, in a class there are some benches, some students. If 3 students sit on each bench, 4 students left to. If 4 students sit on each bench, then 1 bench is left to. Find the number of students and number of benches. Observe here the question. This is a linear equation in 2 variables because there are the 2 quantities are there. So observe here, some students are there, some benches and students are there. Choose the appropriate unknown values to form the linear equation in 2 variables. Then find the number of benches and number of students. Next, last question of section 3. If 5.6 whole power x is equal to 5.56 whole power y is equal to 100, then show that 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. Now here observe 100 we can write 10 square. So 5.6 whole power x is equal to 10 square one time. Next 0.56 is equal to 10 square. So go with like that procedure to show that 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. This is a part A question paper. How many marks this one? 60 marks. Next part B is there. Part B is the 20 marks. Part B. Half an hour time is there. Part B. Now observe it. Number of prime factors are 128. Okay, convert the prime factors 128. Prime number start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Next, how many prime numbers are there? Give the answer. Which of the following is a set builder form? A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 is there. Choose the appropriate set builder form. Observe the all here natural number with fractions are there. Okay, so at the same time natural number